Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, who is the King of the Kings and the Lord of the Lords, the Exalted and Gracious. Dear students, as you know कि हमारे पास आज 9th-A और 9th-B के दरमियान एक कंपटीशन होने जा रहा है जो कि साइंटिफिक सब्जेक्ट है, बायोलॉजी है हमारे पास। आज हमारे पास जो है एक लास्ट और एक फैसला कुन मारिका होगा। सबसे पहले जो है मैं स्टार्ट लेता हूं और इसके लिए मुझे जो है जितने भी जो आप लोग ऑडियंस बैठे हुए हैं, जितने भी स्टूडेंट्स हैं, तो आप लोगों की जो है कोऑपरेशन जो है हमें दरकार होगी। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले जो है मैं स्टार्ट लेता हूं 9th-A से। मेरा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, what process occurs during mitosis? Option A, DNA replication, cell division into two identical cells, or protein synthesis, or production of gametes.
Cell division into two identical cells.
The answer is correct. Good, शाबाश। Second question है 9th-A से, which process involves the movement of water from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration across a membrane? Option A, endocytosis. Option B, active transport. Option C, osmosis or diffusion.
Osmosis.
Osmosis. Good, shabash. Which of the following describes a symbiotic relationship in which one organism benefits and the other is harmed? Option A, mutualism. Option B, commensalism. Option C, parasitism or competition.
Parasitism.
Parasitism. Good, shabash. What is the role of the DNA in cells? To store genetic information, to produce energy, to transport nutrients, to control movements.
To store genetic
Good,
information.
शाबाश, to store genetic information. सेक्शन ए से मेरा सवाल है 9th-A से, which of the following is the correct sequence of events in the cell cycle? Option A, interphase, prophase, metaphase, anaphase. Option B, prophase, interphase, metaphase, telophase, anaphase. Option C, anaphase, telophase, prophase, metaphase or interphase. Option D, interphase, anaphase, metaphase, telophase, prophase.
Option A.
Option A. Next question है, which of the following processes produces the most ATP in cellular respiration? Option A, Krebs cycle. Option B, fermentation. Option C, electron transport chain. Option D, glycolysis.
Option C, electron transport chain.
Good, shabash. Next question. The cell membrane allows some substances to pass and restricts others. It is called option A, permeable, impermeable. Option C, semi-permeable. Option D, rigid.
Semi-permeable.
Semi-permeable. Good, shabash. Which of the following molecules is the primary energy source for the human body? Proteins, carbohydrates, nucleic acid, lipids.
Carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates. Good, shabash. Which of the following helps in transmission of messages? Muscle tissues, connective tissues, epithelial tissues, nerve tissues.
Nervous tissue.
Nerve tissues. Good, shabash. Which of the following is a feature of an enzyme? Number 1, they are consumed in the reactions they catalyze. B, they speed up chemical reactions. C, they decrease the temperature of reactions. Or last one, they are not affected by change in pH.
Option B, they speed up chemical reaction.
Good, shabash, option B. Next question. What is the function of the Golgi apparatus in a cell? To store nutrients, to synthesize proteins. Option C, to modify and package proteins. Option D, to control cell division.
To modify and package protein.
Good, shabash, to modify. Next question. Which of the following is a function of the lymphatic system? Option A, pump blood throughout the body. Option B, defend the body against pathogens. Option C, regulate body temperature. Option D, transport oxygen.
Defend the body from pathogens.
Correct answer. Good, Shabas. Next question. In which phase of the cell cycle does DNA replication occur? Number 1, G1 phase or S phase, G2 phase or N phase?
S phase.
S phase. Good, Shabas. What type of reproduction involves the fusion of male and female gametes? Budding, binary fission, asexual reproduction, sexual reproduction,
Sexual reproduction.
sexual reproduction. Good, Shabas. Question. Which of the following is an example of a diploid cell? Sperm cell, egg cell, skin cell, gamete.
Skin cell.
Skin cell. Good, Shabas. In which stage of mitosis do the chromosomes align at the cell's equator? Anaphase, metaphase, telophase or prophase?
Metaphase.
Metaphase. Good, Shabas. Which of the following is a characteristic of living organism? Ability to maintain homeostasis, ability to stay static and unchanged, lack of cellular structure, or lack of ability to respond to stimuli?
Ability to maintain homeostasis.
Good, Shabas. The fluid part of blood is called RBC, WBC, plasma, platelets.
Plasma.
Plasma. Good, Shabas. Which of the following best describe the function of the kidney? Filter waste from the blood, transport blood throughout the body, regulate body temperature, transport oxygen.
Filter waste from the blood.
Good, Shabas. Filter waste from the blood. Which of the following is not a function of the skeletal system? Providing structure and support, producing red blood cells, storing fat, protein, protecting the brain.
Storing fat.
Good, Shabas. Storing fat. Which of the following is a result of mitosis? 2 genetically identical cells, 4 genetically different cells, or 2 genetically different cells? Last one, 1 genetically identical cell.
2 genetically identical cell.
Good, Shabas. 2 genetically. Which of the following is true about enzymes? Enzymes slow down chemical reactions. Enzymes are consumed in the reaction, they catalyze. Enzymes speed up chemical reactions. Enzyme work only at very high temperature.
Enzyme speed up chemical reaction.
Good, Shabas. Enzymes speed up chemical reaction. Which process is responsible for converting sunlight into chemical energy? Excretion, photosynthesis, fermentation, or respiration?
Photosynthesis.
Good, Shabas. Photosynthesis. Which of the following is not a function of the liver? Store bile, produce insulin, store glycogen, detoxify harmful substances. Detoxify harmful substances, store bile juice, produce insulin, store glycogen.
Produce insulin.
Produce insulin. Good, Shabas. Which of the following best describes the role of the immune system? Circulate blood, protect the body from pathogens, store genetic information, or digested food?
Protect the body from pathogen.
Protect the body from pathogen. Good, Shabas. What is the primary function of the pancreas in the human body? Remove waste products, produce, digest enzymes and insulin, store bile, pump blood.
Produce digestive enzyme and
Good,
insulin.
Shabas. Answer is it. Which of the following is an example of asexual reproduction? Fertilization in animals, pollination in flowers, binary pigeon in bacteria, mating in mammals.
Binary pigeon in bacteria.
Good, Shabas. Binary pigeon in bacteria. Study of insects is known as ornithology, parasitology, ichthyology, entomology.
Entomology.
Entomology. Good, Shabas. Which of the following organisms are prokaryotic? Fungi, bacteria, animals, plants.
Bacteria.
Bacteria. Good, Shabas. DNA is made up of which of the following units? Fatty acids, nucleotides, sugars, amino acids.
Nucleotides.
Nucleotides. Good, Shabash. What is the term of the movement of molecules from an area of higher concentration to an area of lower concentration? Can you define without an options?
Diffusion.
Diffusion. Shabash, good. Which of the following statements is true about DNA replications? It happens after cell division. It involves the duplication of mitochondria. It occurs during the S phase of interphase. It occurs during the G1 phase of the cell cycle.
It occurs during S phase of interphase.
It occurs. Next, it occurs
During S phase of interphase.
of interphase. Good, Shabash. Which of the following best describes the role of ribosomes in a cell? Storing genetic information, packaging proteins, synthesizing lipids.
Options.
One
Options 7.
फुल MCQs जो स्टेटमेंट है वो बताओ. One
Synthesizing protein.
synthesizing protein. Which of the following is a function of the large intestine? Without MCQs बता सकते हैं.
Large intestine.
Which of the following is a function of the large intestine?
Absorb water and salts.
Good, Shabash. Absorb water and salt. Which of the following is a function of the lymphatic system? Break down food molecules, transport oxygen throughout the body, remove excess fluid from tissues, produce red blood cells.
Break down food molecules.
Break down
Food
food
into molecules.
into molecules. The answer is wrong. Correct. Which of the following is an example of mutualism? A clownfish living among the tentacles of an animal, a dog and a human living together, a tapeworm living in the intestine of a human, a lion hunting a zebra.
Clownfish live among the tentacles of an animal.
Good, Shabash. A clownfish. Which of the following is not a part of the digestive system? Esophagus, heart, small intestine, stomach. Heart. Good, Shabash. जवाब दुरुस्त है. Which of the following is a function of the lymphatic system? Break down food molecules, transport oxygen throughout the body, remove excess fluid from tissues, produce red blood cells. Good, Shabash. Remove excess fluid from tissues. Which of the following is not a characteristic of viruses? They contain DNA or RNA. They are made of cells. They can reproduce only inside host cell. They are smallest than bacteria.
They are made of cells.
They are made of cells. Good, Shabash. Which of the following is a component of the cell membrane? Can you define without a correct option? बगैर MCQs बताए आप बता सकते हैं. Which of the following is a component of the cell membrane? अच्छा, mitochondria, ribosomes, chlorophyll, phospholipids. राइबो करेक्ट ऑप्शन है हमारे पास फॉस्फोलिपिड्स. तो बासित जो है ये इस मुकाबले से बाहर हो गए और इब्राहिम के लिए जो है जबरदस्त तालियां जो है ये फाइनल में पहुंच गए. ये विनर है हमारे पास इस मुकाबले का.